Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So this week in all of my planners, I decided I'm going to use the newest sticker book that was gifted to me. And it's the Friendship Sticker Book. And I'm going to try and incorporate some mild liners in here because mild liners are great. They just add so much color without adding a whole ton of bulk, if you know what I mean. All right, let's get started. Okay, so let's make sure I'm in screen here. The reason that I'm all about like minimalizing and trying to remove bulk is I don't know what's happened this week. Like this past week, I've just started looking at a whole bunch of planners that are all about minimalism, and you know, the decoration is very minimal, and I feel like I'm moving towards that. So let's see. Thing is, like, I love the Happy Planner. I love all the stickers they've come out with, but I feel like I'm getting a little bit overwhelmed with how many planners I have, especially with the fact that that's not straight, but especially with the fact that I have so many and I'm filming almost every, you know, putting out a video almost every single day. It's a lot. It is a lot, and I think I'm burning myself out of it. So I want to try a very minimalist type of setup. Okay, I'm gonna put this down because this box will be for my Instagram and YouTube stats. And then I'm gonna place let's see. Where's all the decor? There we go. Although I don't necessarily want the red right next to the red. There we go. Okay. Love the gold, but I feel like the gold is just a lot. So let's do this. And then add the sunglasses because they're fun. And this. Just trying to really fill up the space. And then up here, I will need just a label. I'm going to just use the yellow label here because this will be my filming schedule. Then up here will be just the schedule of when the videos are going to be published on YouTube. And then here, I thought what might work for me is actually using mild liners. So I need to check. I think it's this. Let's see. Let's double check on some of the colors here. Yes, that one. And it was yes to the yellow. The yellow is amazing. And then I think the other one was green. Is it this one? Oh, yes. Perfect. And possibly, the thing is, I feel like that's already too much. Possibly purple. No, not the purple. Okay. So let's move that out of the way. And what I'm going to do is follow my schedule here. And so on the 7th, I'll be posting an after the pen. And I think that just highlighting it like that will be good. Then on the 8th, it will be the vertical, which I'm going to do as a square, because then that will be for anything with a color background. And then the horizontal will go out on the Wednesday. I will not be posting anything on the Thursday. And then Friday I will have 2 coming out. So one will be the real, and then green will be fitness with a white background. And then Saturday, the 12th, will be an hourly with a color background. And then Saturday, the 13th, will be, oops, a white background. Okay. So now that that's in there, I feel like I can add a few more stickers as well. So I'm going to add the Keep Going with, let's see, I like the Life is Better with Friends. I'm going to stick that right on the 10th. And then I'm going to add, what would I, oh, maybe a little of that washi. There's something about that that I really like. I'm going to add a little washi in the corner here. And I feel like I should have added some in that top corner there. But this will do. All right. Actually really enjoy that. I'm gonna, I say try and keep that as simple as possible. Perfect. I really like the different colors in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and start writing in that. I will speed through this part and then show you guys once it's all done. So there is the overall finished spread. I love using mild liners. I find that it's a great burst of color, and I really like how functional this is. So my filming schedule is here. I keep track of my YouTube and Instagram stats here. And then this is the actual, filming schedule, and this is when the videos actually come out on YouTube, and then these are my scheduled Instagram posts. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.